Hey Fantastic You, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. I'm going to show you how to put together the pumpkin pop-up card. So I actually designed this card in Design Space and I have shared it, made it a public project. I've also included in the description of the video both the link to my profile on Design Space as well as the link to the project on Design Space, just in case you can't find it on community tabs. So you have your option, one of two options when making this card. You can either make a jack-o'-lantern card or you can make just a fall pumpkin card. So depending on what the card's for, obviously choose the one that you want. But I have grouped these. The top group is the main big pieces of the pumpkin. The one here on the left, that's the jack-o'-lantern group. The one on the right, that's for the pumpkin. The envelope is from the present pop-up card. So just hide whichever one you're not going to cut out. So I'm going to show you how to put together just the regular fall one. So I'll hide that and then you just have to click make it. So I'll get this cut out and I'll see you at my craft desk. Here is everything cut out. I'm going to move these bigger pieces off to the side. We don't need them just yet. First thing we're going to do is attach our green stems onto our full-size pumpkin. I'm just going to use a white craft glue. Elmer's Craft Bond is what I like to use. And I like to put it on thin. Then that way you won't get the bubbling of the paper. There, and once that's dry, you can go ahead and do the other side, and then we'll go on to the next step. With the stem dry, we're going to grab our two big pieces of the pumpkin, hold your full-size pumpkin the same way, and the bottom slit and the top middle slit line up together, and it goes like that. Next, we're going to grab this piece here. It's got 5 upper slits and the bottom tab, and it goes the middle tab to the bottom available slit. So when you're holding it, it's directly behind the pumpkin with the stem, and the tab is on the left side. Next, we're going to take this one here, and it goes onto the right side. Line it up with the slits. So it's to the right, and the tab is on the front of the one with the stem. Next, we're going to put in this one here, 5 upper slits. The middle slit and the slit to the right of it slide in. You might have to finagle a little bit. But now that's in. So we've got one middle-sized piece left. It goes to the right, and this one you have to finagle because of the little twirly thing coming off the stem. But the top 3 inside slits and the bottom 3 slits is where it lines up. It is tricky to get it in there. There we go. Okay, so when you fold it together, the 2 tabs should line up. So try that, and if they're not lining up, you've put in a piece backwards. Now these last 4 pieces, they just go on the outsides. 3 slits, there and there. So I'll do 1, and then I'll do the other 3 off camera, and you can get yours done on your end as well. Just slides in just like that. Flip it over and do the next one. Here is the pumpkin with all of its sides on. And again, when you fold it down, the 2 tabs line up. So we're going to put that off to the side for now and bring in the main parts of our cards. This is the easy part. We will fold the score line on the main part of the card. I find it's easier when you're putting the insert card on this section to just go around your cutout. And then this one, we'll just do around the outside. Get this lined up. We'll get our other one in. Oh, I ran out of tape. Let me get my big tape gun. Line this one up as well. So there's the main part of our card. We're gonna grab our pumpkin again. The round pieces, they line up like that for the slits. So hopefully you can see that. Take your pumpkin, hold it this way. You can do the little folds in there. You'll probably have to do them again. Just slide them in. It can get tricky sometimes. Okay, so I find this is easiest when you line up your 2 half circles. Get the folds how you want them in the tabs. And it's a real tricky one to do at this point. You can glue or double-sided tape. There's one. There's 2. Then to attach it, I line it up, and you will have a little bit of the pumpkin poking out. I line that up with the center. And then I'm going to add some tape. Make sure it's still lined up good. Close it, do the same on the back.
So here's the final reveal. As you can see, I did the other one as well, but we'll look at just the plain fall autumn one, the pumpkin one. So there's the front. Open it up. Our pumpkin. Looks good from all angles. Give it a close. And then here is our Halloween pumpkin. So there's our front there. There's the top. There's our little pumpkin face on there. And it doesn't matter which angle you view it from, you can see it. So there is how you put together the pumpkin pop-up card. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.